Hey ladies, and welcome to Fiercely Feminine. Today we'll be discussing 10 shoes that elegant ladies never wear. Shoes are a crucial element of any outfit and they can either make or break your outfit. Therefore, it's important to choose your shoes wisely. Even if you're wearing the classiest dress and the most beautiful jewelry, if your shoes don't look good, they can spoil your entire outfit. Of course, everyone has their own personal style and preferences, but if you're looking to cultivate a more refined and feminine style, here is a list of shoes that elegant ladies never wear. And as a bonus, I will also be providing some classy alternatives that you can wear instead. So sit back, relax, get something to drink, get cozy, and let's get started. The first shoe that elegant ladies never wear is flip-flops. While they may be comfortable and convenient, flip-flops are not appropriate for most formal or elegant occasions. They are best reserved for casual outings or beach trips. Or even better, if you're looking for a more stylish and elegant option, consider wearing some classy slides such as the Hermes Oran sandals. These sandals are not only comfortable but also elegant, making them perfect for an effortless yet classy look for casual outings. The second shoe that elegant ladies never wear is platform sneakers. Although some sneakers can be fashionable and trendy, platform sneakers can look clunky and out of place. Stick to classic, sleek sneakers for a more polished look. The third shoe that an elegant lady never wears is Crocs. Crocs are not considered fashionable or elegant by most standards. If you're looking for comfortable yet stylish shoes, opt for classy loafers or mules instead. The fourth type of shoe that an elegant lady never wears is Ugg boots. Ugg boots may be cozy and warm, but they are not appropriate for formal occasions and can make even the most sophisticated outfit look casual and unrefined. Avoid wearing them out of the house and rather save them for cozy nights at home. If you're looking for an elegant alternative to Ugg boots, consider investing in a pair of knee-high or ankle-length boots. Leather boots offer a classic and sophisticated look that can be easily dressed up or down. You can choose from styles such as riding boots or Chelsea boots. Just make sure it has a sleek, elegant, and minimal design. The fifth shoe is wedge sneakers. Like platform sneakers, wedge sneakers can look clunky and out of place. If you're looking for a comfortable yet stylish shoe with a bit of height, rather opt for classic wedges or kitten heels. The sixth type of shoe that an elegant lady never wears is chunky or square-toed shoes. Shoes with chunky or square toes can look bulky and unflattering and are not considered elegant or refined. They also tend to look more masculine. Instead, opt for pointed or almond-shaped toes, as they will give the appearance of longer legs and give a more polished look. The seventh shoe that elegant ladies never wear is stilettos with ankle straps. While stilettos can be elegant and sexy, ankle straps can interrupt the leg line and make the legs look shorter and thicker. So as an alternative, stick to classic pumps or slingbacks for a more streamlined look. The eighth type of shoe that an elegant lady never wears is clear plastic shoes. Clear plastic shoes may be trendy, but due to the materials they can look cheap and unrefined. Opt for classic leather or suede shoes instead. The ninth type of shoe that an elegant lady never wears is athletic shoes. Athletic shoes are meant for exercising and sports, but most people love wearing their athletic shoes while running errands, and although it might be tempting because they are comfortable, there is a better option out there. Rather opt for classic ballet flats. They are just as comfortable and effortless, but they look infinitely more elegant. They are lightweight and easy to wear and can be paired with dresses, skirts, or pants. And then the 10th type of shoe that an elegant lady never wears is shoes with excessively loud colors or patterns. While bold and bright shoes can be the trendy option, shoes with excessively loud or bright colors or even patterns can look tacky and unrefined. It might be appropriate for a special dress-up event, but most of the time they are not the type of shoe that an elegant lady wears. Classic and neutral colors or subtle patterns will always provide a more timeless and elegant look. So remember, while these are guidelines for a more feminine and elegant expression of style, ultimately it's important to wear what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Experiment with different styles and find what works best for you. I hope you found these tips helpful and thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay fiercely feminine.